So in this program, we're going to check to see if a value exists in an array. First of all, I'm going to create a scanner that will allow me to get user input. And as you can see, I've already created a class list and used the fill array to fill the array. Okay, the first thing we have to do is initialize the search term. So this is what we want the user to enter so we can ask them who they want to look for in the array. We also want to create a boolean, which is which is a found, and then we set it to false because our initial variable should always be that it has not been found. Now I'm going to create a loop which will allow me to loop through the array to see if the search term does indeed exist inside the array. So I'm going to use a for loop as usual. And inside my for loop, I'm going to have an if statement. The if statement allows me to make the comparison. So if the search term matches the current term in the array, then I can change found to true. This will allow me to demonstrate that it has been found. As you can see, I've kind of messed up again and search term has not been declared. So I'll have to go back and ask the user to enter the search term after I've finished doing this. So now I'm adding the line that will print out a message to the user to say, please enter who you're looking for. And then I'll use the scanner to put this into the search term variable. And you should see that the little red line under search term disappears. Now what I want to do is I want to check if the user has been found, or if the person in the class has been found, then I display the message that that person does exist. If they don't, then I'm going to display a message to say that they don't exist. So I've put the search term variable in again to remind the person who they were looking for. Now I'm going to test my program just to make sure it works. So because it can either be found or not found, I'm going to run 2 tests. So the first test will be someone that I know exists in the array, and they have been found. And then the second test, someone I know doesn't exist in the array, and it displays the correct message.